Welcome! Today we will learn the different data types, methods in Python. Let's start with list functions. For creating an empty list, we use list functions. Making a list using input method. Firstly, create a list. Using append and extend functions. It will add 12 at the end of the list, and we can only pass one argument at a time. But in extend functions, we can take multiple values, but both the functions add elements at the end of the list. If there is no argument in pop, then it will delete last element from the list. Note, but in case of dictionary, it will show error. If we enter indexing value, which is out of range, then Python will show error. Note, instead of entering indexing value, you have to enter element, which you have to delete. Clear functions will delete all the elements from the list. Sort functions will arrange the list in ascending order. Reverse process of sort functions. Copy functions will make a new copy of the given list. Count functions will count the occurrence of an element in the list. It will count total no of elements present in list. Tuple functions as we know tuples are immutable data types, so we cannot use those functions which change or make modification in tuple, such as append, extend, pop, remove, clear, etc. If we try to change, it will show an error. Tuple has no attribute append mean. There is no function append in tuple data type. Index function. Show you the index number of given element. Note, we can also use these functions like max, min, len, index in list data type. String functions. Capitalize functions. Capitalize only the alphabet of first word of the given string. Title functions capitalize each first alphabet of each word of string. Partition function. Divide the string in different parts from the give element. Swap case functions will change small big or big small alphabet. Split function will change the string into words of list. These functions only check the given condition and print true or false value. This alpha functions only check that given string contains letter or not. If yes, then it will print true, otherwise print false. This alpha functions return true when string contains mixed letter and number or only letter. Is digit only check that the string contains digit or not? Dictionary functions. To create a dictionary, you need to include the key-value pairs in curly braces, as per the following syntax. Dictionary name equals key 1, value 1, key 2, value 2, and so on. As we know that keys are immutable and values are mutable data types in dictionary. Key value. Del functions take only key not value in argument. EMP2 dictionary will added in EMP1. Thanks for watching.